So the first thing you do is create your object. You have a ball and you call it a sphere to make it 3D. You give it a position where it begins, which is a vector. It begins at the origin where x, y, and z all equal 0. Next you give your ball a radius of 0.01. Then you want to give it some values. You give it the vector of gravity where x equals 0, y equals negative 9.8, and z equals 0. Give your ball a mass of 0.1. Give the ball a velocity, which is also a vector of x equals 0, y equals 4, and z equals 0. A time at t equals 0, and a delta t at 0.01. This right here is your loop, and this is where your ball runs, and so you have it, your ball, the program running all while the ball is in a position of y is greater or equal to 0. The rate of 100 means that it will run no more than 100 times per second, 100 calculations per second. Then you plug in your formulas. You have the velocity of the ball plus gravity plus gravity times the delta t. Your next formula is the ball's position plus the ball's velocity times delta t. And then you have t equals time equals t plus delta time. Down here you no longer have this indented. This is all indented to keep it in the loop. So this is all happening while the ball is at the position of y is greater than or equal to 0. This is no longer indented because this happens at the end of the loop, and you'll get a screen at the bottom where it'll print your numerical values for you, so it does your calculations for you. So once you have everything typed out, you can then run the program. And then down here is what we had printed out. The position at y when it's ending, and your time when it's ending at y.